Just got our brand new Winnebago Ekko, and on the very first night of our first trip, I got the dreaded mystery beep. And of course, read a lot about it, was warned about the awning, but I thought, hey, first, crazy world, a lot of beeps. And, we just got this thing. So how could it be the awning, right? It's a brand new awning. And first night, we couldn't tell where it came from. I just got a couple beeps and then it shut off. Sounded like it was coming from in the coach. And second night, a couple longer beeps, knew it was coming from the back. By the third night, it was beeping long enough that I could figure out generally where it came from. And, I was going all over this thing. I'll actually put the beep. It's really important, I think, to know what the beep sounds like, because I was looking around trying to find a video of what's the beep, because maybe your beep's not the same as my beep, and there are a lot of things that make a lot of noise in here. So I was hunting around on this whole thing, trying to figure out where it was. Couldn't find the beep. I swear it's coming from down here. Sounds like it's coming from, part of it's coming from the coach. But there's no way it's the awning, because it doesn't sound like it's coming from there. Tried a bunch of different things, or looked around, did a lot of reading, thought, okay, I'll give the awning piece a try. Ends up that's what it is. Surprise, surprise. I just opened up the coach. You run the awning out about a foot. Now, what I did was then shut off the power to the coach right there. You shut the power off to the coach so that the wind sensor won't go back in after you start monkeying around and it thinks that it's wind. Some people have to pull a fuse, and I found that to work better. I found it worked just fine, just turning the power off on the coach. Then you come right up here, your sensor is right up there. It's 2 screws, and then to get that little box off, then 4 screws to get to the battery, and that'll fix it. There are a lot of people who walk you through taking the battery out. That's really easy, replacing the battery. I won't go that far. I just want to make sure people could get help with finding the beep and knowing that that beep is indeed the awning. So that fixed my beep. Next time I turned it on, no beep. It was awesome. I was shocked because I thought, of course I'm gonna have a bigger problem, but that did it. I do have a theory on why it's going off in the middle of the night and why the correlation I had was based on the outside temperature. It would not do it for me during the day. It was doing it for me at night. And I know a lot of people have had it go off in the middle of the night. And I think that you've got that battery up in an exposed area on the corner, and that is causing the battery meter in it to read a low battery when maybe during the day and the battery's warmer, the battery is not as senses more of a charge, and that's why it started going off on the cold nights for me, and I didn't have it happen during the day. So hope this helps you fix. I hope it helps you diagnose the problem. I hope it helps you fix the problem.